ahead, man.
Let me, ready?
Yeah.
I don't know where to lock it.
All right, hit it. Wow.
Try to get it.
Hello again, this is Jeff from TAOFLEDERMAUS. And yes, we have another wax slug video. Actually had a few complaints from viewers about the number of wax slug videos I've been posting, and I apologize for that, but you have to realize that these are a direct response to viewer suggestions. And I can't think of very many channels out there that will actually do that and actually engage their audience. And you know, I try to do things the way I like other channels to do it. You know, maybe reply to a comment every once in a while, or actually do suggestions. And I want my viewers to feel like they're part of this. That's very important. I want them to be interested and feel that I'm not just some guy who's not connected with their viewers. So anyway, these are some somewhat lightweight padlocks that we're shooting, and we had kind of mixed results, but overall pretty impressive. We had a lot of people wanting to see how they would work as a breaching round, and even, you know, I can't afford to buy a door, or, you know, and a deadbolt or whatever like that, so I wanted to post something that is comparable, just to give you an idea. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I appreciate all the nice comments, and thank you very much for watching.